Success is a lousy teacher. It seduces smart people into thinking they can't lose. Price is what you pay. Value is what you get. If you aren't willing to own a stock for 10 years, don't even think about owning it for 10 minutes. The most important quality for an investor is temperament, not intellect. Risk comes from not knowing what you are doing. Cars of Babin too light to be felt until they are too heavy to be broken. Never depend on a single income. Make investments to create a second source. Successful investing is about managing risk, not avoiding it. Honesty is a very expensive gift. Don't expect it from cheap people.